Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I bring to your view the remedy for cough. After the previous video, you guys, if you see, I have cold, and after the cold left I have very intensive cough, which usually used to wake me whenever I sleep. I only have maybe 1 hour sleep and this cough will started. So all you need cloves. Just add cloves into water, like you guys see I've done earlier on. So then I'm going to transfer the soaked cloves with hot water into the small pan or anything, I don't know how to call it. So you just put it on fire and let it boil for very well. You need to let it boil very well. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is just to add a teaspoon of salt into 1 cup of water. So as you guys can see, I'm adding boiling water here. Don't do this. So I'm just adding boiling water to the halfway of the cup, then I'm going to add the cold water with heat. Just mix it up, as you guys can see. So after doing this, what I'm going to do with it is to go straight and gargle with it. As you guys can see, we pour cold water. Did you see? It's pour cold water, then I'm going to gargle with it. That's what I'm doing here. As you guys can see, I'm almost done. So I'm so sorry the way the video really looks like though, but I need to put out this video for those that have been the same problem as I do, because this cough was so intense that I cannot sleep. It will avoid you from sleeping, as in it will take your sleeping from you. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go and check my boiling cloves. This is very important. Let it boil very well. As you guys can see, it is boiling, so we are able to extract the cloves from cloves. So as you guys can see, and the next thing I'm going to do is just to add a teaspoon of honey into this small glass cup. You see the original honey. You need to use original, the real one, the real honey. You know how important that is, as you guys can see. Then I'm just going to pour my boiling cloves into it. Did you see? So I mix it up, then drink it. So guys, it tastes so good. Just drink your remedy. So the next thing I'm going to do is, before I go to bed, as you guys can see, I had to put the 4 cloves into my mouth and I sleep with that, and that was how I had a good sleep. So thank you so much for watching.